Assalamu alaikum and welcome to KS Academy. And today lecture we are creating a table of content of any file. This is a thesis. We create a table content of this file. By clicking on this, you can see here are different options. You can change this from heading 1. This will be our heading 1. Heading 1. Heading 1. Now we create a heading 2. This will be our heading 2. This is heading 2. Heading 2. By selecting on this, you can also modify heading by click on right. Here you can see modify. You can change the everything. You can change the color, everything from here. You can change from Arial to Arial. Here you can see format. You can change font size, paragraph, text, etc. Anything from here. By clicking OK, you can see the chapter 5 conclusion and recommendation is changed. Everything is changed automatically. Now we create a table of content for this file. Here you can see my links, view and references. Clicking on table of content, you can choose any automatic table from here. I can select this. Now you can see the table of content is automatically created. You can change anything, you can update entire table from here. The table will be automatically generated. This is the whole process of creating a table of content of any file.